goes through into the AV node. Between the sinus node and AV node, ये आपकी battery है sinus node because that's what generates the electricity. This is like a toll plaza, AV node. वो control करता है heart rate as to how many ECG electrical activities need to proceed into the ventricle. ECG can generate from anywhere in the heart, anywhere, absolutely anywhere. And if it does not originate from sinus node and from elsewhere, it's called ectopic beat. So that's just a basic concept and a basic diagram. And we will learn about this a little bit more later. There are a few normal parameters in the ECG. हम जैसे ECG will be going through in series के P wave है, which is the definition of sinus beat. If there's a P wave, that means that's a sinus rhythm, followed by a QRS complex, जो ventricular repolarization को define करता है, and then followed by T wave. ठीक है? आज जो आप लोग देखेंगे सेशन में, I will not be spending hours and hours on absolute basics. Idea ये है कि how to put it into clinical context. So this is just an example. Other thing to remember is कि जो recording speed होती है 25 millimeters per second, जब आप लोग ECG देखें तो make sure कि ECG machine calibration सही है. 25 millimeters per second, we're talking about this axis, and 10 millimeters per millivolt, we're talking about that axis. Why is that important? क्योंकि 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, ये जो 5 squares हैं, that's equals to 1 second. यानी कि 1 square is 0.2 seconds, और हर 0.2 के अंदर भी 5 छोटे square हैं, each of it is 0.04 seconds. So that's one way to just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square is 1 second and 1 square is 0.2. That's one basic thing. Okay. Normal parameters में the the PR interval from start of the P to the start of the R wave should be 3 to 5 squares. ठीक है, तो 0.12 to 0.22. तो ये आप यूँ बात कर लें कि one large square जो है, that's roughly a normal PR interval. जो QRS duration है, which is from start of this zigzag pattern to the end, up to about मैं कहूँगा 0.12 तक ले लो यहाँ में, ठीक है ना? तो less than 3 squares is normal. Just few things to remember. QT interval 440 milliseconds या 460 milliseconds या 0.44 या 0.46 depending on male and female, that's the normal range. लेकिन once we come to it, I'll explain to you that we are talking about corrected QT and not QT. So this is just the basic and what normal values are, and we will touch base on them as we go along. This slide, it's very important to know how to do an ECG. ये क्यों important है? For various reasons. एक reason ये कि you may at times be working in an environment where कोई और ECG नहीं करेगा और आप ही को करनी पड़े. ऐसा अक्सर नहीं होता. Usually you got someone who can do it. कोई nurse है या कोई trained technician है. But you can be in a position. I know in UK certainly, जो लोग psychiatry कर रहे होते हैं, I've been told that the doctors have to do ECG in psychiatric wards. So you need to know where to attach ECG leads. ECG leads, chest leads भी होती हैं जो हम V1 to V6 कहते हैं जिनको, और limb leads भी होती हैं जो 1, 2, 3, AVF, AVL. What you need to remember here is, ये तो आप देख रहे हैं कि V1 to V6, you start in the 4th intercostal space on the right side. V2 is on the left at the same level. ठीक है, फिर जो V4 है, I've jumped, मैंने V3 skip कर रहा हूँ explanation के लिए. V4 जो है वो एक स्पेस नीचे है, 5th intercostal space में, in the mid clavicular line. Then I'm skipping V5 and going to V6. V6 जो है वो mid axillary line में है at the same level. So basically all you have to remember is 4th intercostal space and 5th intercostal space. 4th में sternum के एक साइड पे V1 है, V2 है. V5, V4 to V6 एक ही लाइन में है in 5th intercostal space, और in between 2 and 4 is V3, halfway. अच्छा, why is this important? ये इसलिए important है कि if by mistake you put it up here or put it up here, you can see a 3-dimensional heart sitting behind the sternum. These 6 ECG leads are like 6 cameras, 6 CCTV cameras looking at the heart from different angles. V1 इस angle से right यहाँ पर राइट हार्ट है, यहाँ लेफ्ट हार्ट है, राइट साइड से देख रहा है। V2 भी थोड़ा सा राइट की तरफ है। V5 जैसे जैसे आप V6 की जा रहे हैं, आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लेफ्ट की तरफ से हार्ट को देख रहे हैं। सो इफ़ दीज थिंग्स आर पुट द रॉन्ग वे अराउंड, कैमरास जो हैं वो डिफरेंट एंगल से दिखाएंगे आपको। एंड इफ़ यू पुट इट स्लाइटली हायर अप बाय मिस्टेक और लोअर डाउन बाय मिस्टेक, तो इन कैमरास को ऐसे लगेगा कि हार्ट टिल्ट हुआ हुआ है, और उस टिल्टिंग की वजह से कुछ ईसीजी फाइंडिंग्स आ जाती हैं, टी वेव इन्वर्जन्स फॉर एग्जांपल, जो नहीं होनी चाहिए। एक्सिस डिविएशन आ सकता है अनफॉर्चुनेटली, जो नहीं होना चाहिए। तो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कि ईसीजी लीड्स की पोजीशन, एंड दैट आल्सो एक्सप्लेन्स द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हाउ दीज लीड्स हैव एन इंटरफेस विद द हार्ट। कौन सी लीड किस एरिया ऑफ द हार्ट को चेक कर रही होगी, that will be explained as we go along. Are you following this point? कुछ लोग चाहते होते हैं मुझे वापस back to this slide to explain. So the attendees, have you understood this concept? Is there any particular question you want to ask here about what I've just said? If you're happy, even then say yes, please move on.
Yes, sir, move on.
Yeah, okay. Both the chest leads, these are limb leads. AVR, AVL, and AVF, along with 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and AVF. Sorry. The concept of the why I've shown this picture is कि 2, 3 और AVF जो है, AVF and 2 and 3. अब आप यहाँ देखें, they are looking at the heart from the bottom end. पहले हमने chest leads दिखाई थी जो इस डायरेक्शन में स्प्रेड हो रही थी, from right to left. अब हम ऊपर से राइट से, ऊपर से लेफ्ट से और नीचे से हार्ट को देख रहे हैं। तो 2, 3 एंड AVF इसीलिए उनको हम inferior leads कहते हैं, तो they are looking at the heart from the bottom end. और AVL और lead 1 जो है ये यहाँ पे, they are looking to the heart from the left side. AVR right से देख रहे हैं. So this is again just the concept of how these leads look at the heart from different angles. Now why is it important? मैं explain कर चुका हूँ कि if you are not putting the leads in the right position, you can miss out something that's hidden, or you can see something which you're not meant to see. That's why it's important कि ECG leads से जगह हों. So that's just some basic concepts about ECG. ठीक है? Very quickly, यहाँ पे आपको ये learning point, V1 and V2, because it's looking from the right angle, and V5, V6 is looking from the left. Whenever we are talking about things which have right mentioned in it, right heart ho gaya, right ventricle ho gaya, right bundle branch flow ho gaya, that will be more applicable. Things which are looking at the left ventricular hypertrophy, left axis deviation, तो ये left leads वहाँ पे ज़्यादा applicable होंगी, and you'll learn that as we go along. Okay, so first slide, as the title says, it's a normal ECG, so there are no tricks here. The reason to show this ECG, and probably this might be an ECG where I'm going to take the longest time, because we are going to go through the sequence of how to approach ECG. There's no surprises here, it's a normal ECG. So attendees, unmute yourself, whoever want to say a few things. अगर आपके पास ECG कोई रख दे सामने, what are the things you need to look at? Just name a few things, you know. Go ahead.
We look at the rate.
Okay, अब आपने rate बोला, ठीक है. Now someone else tell me something different.
We look at the calibration.
Sorry, a calibration. Okay, good. Somebody else, please.
About the rhythm.
Rhythm, good. Anybody else? Access, okay. Anybody else?
PR interval.
PR interval. Keep going.
Normal
I guess
PR interval.
PR हो गया. Angles, किसी ने angle बोला? कौन था? Angle से क्या मुराद है? Access. Are you talking about access? You mean?
Access.
Access. Okay. हाँ. Okay.
first of all I guess patient की details वगैरह नहीं देखेंगे.
Good. Good. That's also very good answer. Very good answer. You have to make sure कि आप right patient की ECG देख रहे हैं. Well done. What else? ठीक है, PR इंटरवल तक गए थे, फिर QT इंटरवल है,
ST
segments,
QRS
ST segments, absolutely, QRS की ड्यूरेशन, QRS की मॉर्फोलॉजी, T waves की मॉर्फोलॉजी, ठीक है ना. So you'll go in sequence. होता क्या है, when the ECG comes in front of you, हमारी ह्यूमन नेचर है, हम बुराई ढूंढते हैं हर शख्स में, तो we automatically go and look for an abnormality. ये this is a human nature. मैं भी करता हूँ, आप भी करते हैं, and I'm sure as soon as something is put in front of you, you start looking for abnormalities. ऐसा ही है ना? But if you go through a sequence, जो इंशाल्लाह आज हम सीखेंगे, you will try and pick up the normal things first, because while looking at the normal things, ये मैंने अपने experience से सीखा है, the more normal things you look at, more and more normal ECGs you are able to identify, the better you get at identifying the abnormality. So abnormality is basically absence of normality. It basically ECG patterns जो हैं, you have to identify the patterns. It's all